Hey, how you doing? Bobby with Pixl Pros. Today we'll be working on a high-res product. Today we'll be working on Rose's BP2 module, as seen right here. What will be different in today's repair than other repairs is that we'll be using pixels harvested from another BP2 module that was beyond repair, using Pixl Pros' very own harvesting processes. And that process and those services are available to you as well. You can inquire within. Okay, here we are at the test rig. Let's identify the pixels that need repairing. All right, here we go. So it looks like we have 2 pixels so far. I'll mark these. All right, let's keep going through the colors. Obvious red is out. All right, great. Now it's time to move on to the next steps. First thing I want to do is remove this shader. So the pixels for the most part are still on the board. So it doesn't look like we'll have to use any of the harvested pixels today. right, let's see what we look like right now. Okay, back from the test rig. It revealed 2 out of my 3 repairs were solid, which is great news. 3 for 3 would have been great, even better. But what it also revealed was 2 more repairs that need to be done. Simply due to the fact pulling off the shader loosened more pixels from the board. I mean, I could push them to touch and they'll stay on. That's not how I'm gonna send my repairs back out to the client. Push to touch, turn on, and still module needing repair, so gotta treat them all indiscriminately. Alright. So let's get this guy. This one. All right, let's go to the test rig and test it out. Okay, back at the test rig. What I initially thought was going to be an easy repair when I grabbed this module turned into something a lot more involved. I went from having 1, possible 2 pixels bad to having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I haven't done yet is clean the alcohol off of the pixels. So I'm looking at the pixels from experience. It looks like they're all lit, and I have it on a grayscale just so it's easier on my eyes. But once we run through the colors, I'll go up full bright. So as I take my alcohol solution over each pixel, wiping my Sharpie off and just cleaning off the flux that kind of like built up on it, I'm seeing that my repairs were solid, which I tell you, more than anything else, no matter how many times I do this, it's always a relief. All right, let's run through the rest of the colors. Full white, looking good. Red, we're looking good. Green, we're looking good. And blue, we're looking good. So now the next step is to clean off the rest of the flux from around the pixels. and then retest.